So we'll be looking at another word problem today. We'll read out the question. 4 times a number increased by 5 is 37. What is the number? So in solving it, we'll assign a variable to the number since it's an unknown. So we say let the number be represented by the variable x. When we take 4 times the number, we can represent it or denote it by 4 times x, which is equals to 4x. If this outcome is increased by 5, we are saying 4x plus 5 is how it will be represented. And we're saying that this 4x plus 5, which is the result, is equals to 37. So we have an equation, 4x plus 5 is equals to 37, and we'll solve for x. So the first thing is to identify like terms. We have 5 on the left-hand side, we have 37 on the right-hand side. They are numbers, and they can easily be simplified if we group them together. So if 5 on the left-hand side, which is plus 5 actually, if it moves to the right-hand side, it crosses the equation sign, it now becomes minus 5. So what we now have is 4x is equals to 37 minus 5. And in that case, what we've done is to group like terms, and now we can simplify. So 4x will now be 37 minus 5, and that's 32. We will divide through by the coefficient of x. Why are we dividing through by the coefficient of x? What's the coefficient of x? 4 is the coefficient of x. 4 is the coefficient of x. That is, 4 is multiplying x. So if we divide through by 4, we're able to solve for x. And what we have now will be 4x over 4 is equals to 32 over 4. 4x over 4 is x, 32 over 4 is 8. So the number we have solved is 8. So we'll just quickly check. 4 times a number, that is 4 times 8, implies multiplying 8 by 4, and that's 32. And if 32 is increased by 5, we have 37. So this satisfies and represents the question above, where the result is 37. So the starting point, which is the number we solved for 8, is correctly solved. Thank you.